Repeat after me. I have two brothers and one sister. She wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. My birthday is on the 5th of May. We meet at 10:30 in the morning. The meeting starts at exactly 9:15. I paid $20 for this book. There are 12 months in a year. Today is Monday, the 15th of June. He works 40 hours every single week. The train leaves at 6:45. I have 3 apples in my bag. We celebrate New Year's on the 1st of January. It is 7:45 in the evening. She is 25 years old today. The concert finishes at 10:30. I need 5 minutes to get ready. My office is on the 4th floor. They live at number 52 on the street. We have a holiday on the 20th of December. Can you tell me the time, please? I started this job on the 10th of March. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. I have to be there by 8 o'clock sharp. He bought 100 eggs for the party. My flight lands at 2:20 in the afternoon. Today is the 12th of August. I will see you in 10 minutes. She earns $500 a week. We have class every Tuesday at 9. It is 3:15 now. My house number is 88. I have been here for 2 hours. The store opens at 8:30 every day. Today is the 22nd of September. I have 6 cousins in total. We're meeting on the 3rd of July. It takes 15 minutes to walk there. He was born in 1998. I have a meeting at 11:15. There are 7 days in a week. The shop closes at 7:45. I need 2 more tickets for the show. Today is the 30th of November. She has 10 fingers and 10 toes. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I have 50 pages left to read. We are arriving on the 2nd of February. The party ends at midnight, 12 o'clock. I walk 5 kilometers every day. My appointment is at 4:40. Today is the 14th of April. I have 4 chairs in my kitchen. They're waiting for 20 minutes. It is 10 to 9 right now. The year is 2026. I get paid on the 1st of the month. He drinks 8 glasses of water a day. We start our vacation on the 6th of July. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. I have 30 minutes to finish this. My phone number ends in 99. We are moving on the 20th of October. The bus arrives every 15 minutes. I have 12 friends coming over. It is exactly 6 o'clock now. She has 2 cats and 1 dog. We finish work at 5:30. My anniversary is on the 11th of June. There are 365 days in a year. He wakes up at 6:15 daily. I need to be home by 7 o'clock. Today is the 17th of February. I have $50 in my wallet. The train arrives at 9:35. She celebrates on the 29th of March. We stay for 2 hours every time. It is 11:45 at night. I have 11 items in my shopping cart. The class starts on the 4th of September. He runs 10 miles every week. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. There are 24 hours in a day. Today is the 8th of December. I am 5 minutes late for the bus. She buys 6 bottles of water. We meet at 4:30 today. The project ends on the 31st of May. I have 9 books on my desk. It is 20 past 10 now. He arrives at 8:55. I'll see you on the 10th of October. We work for 8 hours a day. The meeting is at 3:15. I have 3 brothers-in-law. It is 5 to 6 in the morning. Today is the 16th of January. I have 7 tasks to complete. The restaurant opens at 11 o'clock. We leave on the 12th of November. She is 19 years old today.